Exercising to gain weight is not everything. More important than exercise is our diet. Many people start eating too much to gain weight, which in turn worsens their digestion. Again, many are worried that their hunger is less. So let's solve the problem today. Keep watching the video till the end, and if you like it, keep subscribing to our channel to get more videos like this. The biggest reason for not gaining weight is not getting hungry or not digesting as much food as you eat. If your body doesn't like what you eat, then going to the gym and exercising are all useless. Your muscles will never build. You will gain weight when you can digest food properly. Today we will be given some tips that you can follow to fix your digestive system, which will make you feel more hungry and what you eat will be digested properly. You will start gaining weight immediately. First, learn how to keep the digestive system strong and what mistakes cannot be made to keep the digestive system good. Tips number 1. Most people do not chew food while eating. Whenever you eat food, chew it. Because 50% of what we eat is digested in our mouths. That's why whenever you eat something, sit comfortably and chew it, so that the food can be fully digested. Tips number 2. If you want your digestive system to be perfectly healthy, you need to keep your body hydrated throughout the day. You must drink 4 to 5 liters of water throughout the day. Tip number 3. The biggest reason for poor digestion or not getting hungry is not having a specific time to eat. Nowadays, most of the people eat at different times of the day. If this continues, the digestive system becomes bad and the food is not digested. On the contrary, it causes acid, heartburn, etc. That's why whenever you eat food, eat at a certain time. Tip number 4. Do not drink water between meals. You can eat half an hour before a meal or drink water an hour after each meal. Tips number 5. Junk food. Stay away from eating extra junk food. Eating extra oily junk food causes many kinds of damage to your body. Not just digestive energy causes problems with other body parts of your body. So refrain from eating junk food. Tips number 6. Get 7 to 8 hours of deep sleep a night. Our digestive system works best during sleep, so going to deep sleep is very important. Get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep to digest the food you eat throughout the day. Here are 6 tips you can easily keep your digestive system well. Hopefully, if you follow these 6 tips, your digestive system will get better very soon and you will be able to lead a healthy life. That's all for today. If you like the video, please like, comment and share it with your friends. And to watch such videos, subscribe to our channel.